am so excited to be here with you on this Wednesday afternoon to give you an intimacy tip that is going to help you during this busy holiday season. Today's intimacy tip is to find pockets of time to spend with your partner. Now, I know the holidays are busy and you're probably thinking, I have so much on my to-do list. However, if you are willing to find little pockets of time to think positively about your spouse. So you can do this while you're working out, you can do this while you're Christmas shopping, you can do this while you're getting ready for the day. I want you to make a mental list of reasons why you are grateful for your spouse or things that they do to bless your life. So, for example, I teach my students that your brain is a powerful instrument and it will solve problems and find evidence of what it is that you give it to look for. So one of the problems I like to give my brain to look for is, what are all the ways in which my spouse is so awesome? So if you are grateful that your spouse goes to work every day and makes a good living and is available to hang out with the kids and goes to all their sporting events and watches the baby while you go out and get all of the shopping and errands done, right? Like, if your partner is a good teammate to you in some way, I want you to just think about all the things that they do for you. So this not only makes you excited to see your partner when they've been away from you or gives you this positive affect towards them, but it also increases your mood, because when you recognize your blessings, when you recognize how lucky you are to be together with somebody who is so awesome, you can even think about how their differences are a blessing to you. So like, sometimes I notice things that are going on with my children emotionally that my husband doesn't, or sometimes my husband is really good at talking with my girls about things that they don't necessarily bring up with me. So I like to think about those things during the day. Man, I have such a great teammate. We work together so well. So just by thinking of these things, you will increase your mood, you will feel better about your relationship, even if you're not seeing each other as often because you are so busy with all of the holiday hustle and bustle. When you do get to see each other, you'll probably smile and wink at them because you've been thinking positively about them all day long, and chances are they're going to smile and wink back. Now, if you really want to double down on how much this little exercise improves your mood and the way you feel about your partner, you could write those things down. And double bonus if you share that list with your partner. If you write them a little note and say, hey, I really appreciate how well you listen to me when I'm all worked up, or how well you encourage me when I have crazy ideas, or whatever the case may be. So, how lucky are you to be married to your partner? Think about those things throughout the day. Write them down when you get a chance. And next time you have a moment to sit down with your spouse, share that list with them. So, happy holidays. If you loved this tip, make sure that you stick around because I'm here every Wednesday with another tip for you. So, have a wonderful rest of your week. To learn more ways to deepen your intimacy and strengthen your relationship, make sure you watch this video next